Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Ariana from Crafting Happiness, and today I'm going to show you how to crochet the rolling wave stitch. As you can see, you can choose to have a wavy border if you crochet the entire wavy stitch, or you can start with a flat border if you just crochet half of it to begin with. I am going to show you how to crochet the flat border and how to crochet in with two colors and changing the yarn without having to cut it. And then you can crochet a single crochet border all around to hide the stitches. But if you're not planning to have a border of any kind around it, then just cut the yarn and weave in the ends when you switch colors. So let's get started. For this tutorial, I'm using double knit yarn in red and in pink and a 4mm crochet hook. You can use any yarn you like with a matching hook. Your beginning chain should be a multiple of 8 stitches plus 3. Mine is 35 stitches long. So let's start the first row by single crocheting in the third chain. Then a half double crochet, a double crochet, and at the top of your wave make 2 trebles. And now we are going to go downwards and complete the wave. So make 1 double crochet, 1 half double crochet, and 2 single crochet stitches. And this is how your wave will look like. And the pattern just calls for a repeat of these stitches. So from the half double crochet to the two single crochet stitches, repeat this section until the end of the row. And this is how the first row looks like. We'll be changing colors now to pink, and start the second row. So turn your work and start by chaining 4. That counts as a treble, and then we'll be making another treble in the next stitch. A double crochet stitch, a half double crochet, and 2 single crochet in the next stitches. And you can see as the edge starts to straighten up. And now we're starting a new wave. Half double crochet, double crochet, and 2 trebles at the top of the wave. Then a double crochet stitch, half double crochet and 2 single crochet stitches. And now we're going to repeat this section here from the half double crochet until the single crochet stitches all the way to the end until you have 4 stitches left. So right at the top of this last wave. So now on your last 4 stitches, continue as usual by half double crocheting in the next, then a double crochet stitch, and finish with 2 trebles. And this is your second row. And we'll continue with pink on the third row and complete the wave. So turn around, and on this row will be matching the row below, meaning whatever stitch is underneath on this row will be making it on top. So now we have here 2 trebles. We'll be making 2 trebles on top of it. So chain 4 counts as your first treble, and then a treble in the next stitch. A double crochet stitch, half double crochet, two single crochet stitches right at the bottom, and then we continue to create the waves on top. So another half double crochet, double crochet, and 2 treble right at the top of the wave. Double crochet, half double crochet, and 2 single crochet, and that completes 1 full wave, as you can see it here. And we'll be repeating this portion of the pattern from the half double crochet to the 2 single crochet stitches across the pattern until you have 4 stitches left, which was going to be here right at the bottom of the wave. So now we are on our last 4 stitches. We will continue to make the half wave to complete it. So make a half double crochet, a double crochet, and finish with 2 trebles. And this is your third row completed. And now we'll be switching back to red. So pick up your red yarn and pull through. Make sure it's quite loose here and close the loop. And then later on you'll be crocheting over it. As I said, if you don't want to crochet over it, then just cut the yarn here, weave it in, and start with a new strand of yarn on the third row. So now we'll be crocheting in the very first stitch and the following stitch. And this row we'll be making the pattern in reverse. So if you have trebles here, you single crochet, you have double crochet on a double crochet stitch, and so on. So you just to make it straight again. That's the point of the fourth row. So half double crochet, double crochet, and right here at the bottom we'll be making our trebles, 2 trebles, then a double crochet, half double crochet, and 2 single crochet right at the top of the previous wave. And you can see how it complements the pattern on the row below. And now we'll be repeating this section starting from the half double crochet until the 2 single crochet stitches. We'll repeat this section across the pattern all the way to the end. And this is fourth row completed, and fifth row will be in red as well, and we'll be making the tops of the waves. So chain 1 and turn, and we'll be crocheting in the very first stitch and in the following stitch. And then a half double crochet, a double crochet, and 2 trebles, and as you can see, I am mirroring the bottom row. So if we had trebles, we make trebles. If we had double crochet stitches, we make double crochet stitch, and so on. And I'll create the top part of the wave. So double crochet stitch, half double crochet, and 2 single crochet stitches. And now we've completed the top part of the wave. And we'll be repeating this section starting from the half double crochet stitch all the way to the 2 single crochet stitches across the row, and I will complete the 5th row. And this is the 5th row completed, and you can see how now the pattern starts to form. And from this point on, the pattern is a repeat of these last 4 rows, row 2, 3, 4, and 5. And you can choose to alternate colors, like I've done here. You can see I alternate colors, or you can just make it in one color, but the pattern will not be very visible. It's all up to you. The more color you choose, the better the pattern will look like. And this is it. I hope you found my tutorial easy to follow. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on social media for more free patterns like this one. Happy crocheting!